Welcome to the demo of the 25C update, Enhancements for Workforce Scheduling in the Production Supervisor Workbench. With this update, you can consolidate workloads at a plant level across work centers. The schedule is validated in the Operator Workbench. Businesses need to plan resource capacity more accurately across work centers. They also need to enforce published schedules. Now you can model multiple work centers as a single department or model multiple resources as the same schedule group. Validation at the workbench ensures that only scheduled employees check in for work. First, let us see the changes made to the manufacturing setup pages. I am logged in as a manufacturing engineer. I will show you the changes to the manufacturing resources and manufacturing work centers pages by launching them from the work execution landing page, using the highlighted tasks. Let me open the manufacturing resources page. Here, let's find a resource that has a scheduling group. I can see the resource lathe operator. View details allows us to view the details of this resource. We can now view all the active workers corresponding to this resource automatically on this page. A scheduling group is a group of jobs used for workforce scheduling. In the 25B release, they could be mapped to resources. The workers with all the matching jobs of a scheduling group are displayed here directly from Human Capital Management, HCM. Now, let us open the Work Center's Redwood page. I will find a work center where the lathe operator resource type is assigned. The turning work center has the resources, and this work center is also mapped to a department in HCM. Departments can be mapped to work centers in the 25B release. Opening the details should allow me to see the resource. I will find the lathe operator resource. The view person action in the work center resource should allow me to see the workers. Here, I can see the list of active workers that match both the scheduling group and department assignment in HCM. Now, let's see the changes made to workload consolidation behavior. I have lathe operators in the turning work center. I have defined the capacity as 25 workers for each of the 3 plant shifts. This work center is mapped to the department MFG Department 1. And this resource is mapped to the MFG Operator 1 scheduling group in HCM. Let's say I have another smaller second turning department. Here I need 4 workers of the same resource type. In this scenario, I want to combine the workloads of these 2 resources between the work centers. This work center is also mapped to the same department in HCM, which is MFG_Department 1. This means both of these work centers require workers belonging to the same department and scheduling group. To calculate total worker capacity, the resource units should get added. I will go ahead and publish the production workloads using this ESS job for my organization. A schedule administrator can go to the workforce scheduling page and launch workload management. The total capacity of resources has been added up. This is reflected as a total capacity of 29 workers for this department, which contains 2 manufacturing work centers that will share them. Next, we will see how schedule compliance is enforced in the Operator Workbench. I tried to check into the workstation as a worker who is not on the schedule. The workstation gives an error message. Now, I have logged in as Amelia, and I am scheduled to work on this date. I can check in successfully and start working at the station. I can also report progress on the work order operation. Let us do a recap. We saw the changes made to the manufacturing setup pages, resources, and work centers. We reviewed the change in workload consolidation behavior. We understood how schedules are enforced in the Operator Workbench. This concludes the demonstration. Thank you so much for watching.